at peace, stress free, let it be.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Ashley and today we are going to be trying a new product to dye your clothes and other fabrics, I guess. So normally the times that I have dyed clothes, I've used the liquid RIT dye, which is right here. I actually have a video of me using that dye to dye a pair of Converse. If you want to check it out, it'll be linked right here. But typically when I'm dyeing clothes, or apparently shoes, that's what I've used. I've only done it a few times and that's what I've used like every single time. I also recently got this like powdery RIT dye because I'm going to be trying to dye another pair of shoes. If you want to see that, it'll be coming. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. But I have not tried the powder RIT dye yet. But today we're going to be trying something else that I actually saw on TikTok and I thought it was so cool, so I immediately had to go and buy it. And that is this Dylon or Dylon, I'm not entirely sure how you say the name of that, like machine washer pod thing, and there's like powder in here. So basically all you have to do is wet your clothes so that they're damp, or whatever like fabric you're trying to dye, and then you throw this in the washer with them, and the whole washing cycle like dyes your clothes and fabrics, and it apparently makes it like super vibrant because it doesn't use too much water, and it apparently makes it like super even so there's no like splotches or anything. The person who I saw use it on TikTok, their stuff came out so great, so I was like, I need to try this. And I actually have a couple things that I've been wanting to dye green, so it's perfect, but I'm not sure how much fabric that pod will dye. We're only gonna do the two things though. So first I just have this like white sweatshirt that I wanted to dye green. I'm assuming it's gonna be like super vibrant because this is white, I guess. And then we have this neon yellow sweatshirt that I accidentally bought thinking it was green because the lighting was weird. I like thrifted it. The lighting was weird and I couldn't tell that it wasn't green until I opened the package and it was yellow. So hopefully the green dye will sit nicely on top of that and it will actually be green. So that is what we're doing today. It should be a pretty quick and short video. I'm just going to show you how it works and then give a little like review thing at the end, I guess. So if you want to see how those two items come out and how the Dylon washer dye pod thing works, then keep watching this video. And if you like this video or you found it helpful or both, then be sure to give me a thumbs up down below so that I know. Also comment down below, comment which color dye pod you would buy to dye a bunch of different things. What color do you want to dye a bunch of stuff? I guess. I don't know. Also, really quickly before we get started, I just wanted to say thank you so much for 600 friends on this channel. The day that I'm posting this is literally the end of the giveaway for 500 friends on this channel, which I really appreciated. And I also really appreciate 600, which is just so crazy. I'm so excited. I'm so happy to have you all here. Thank you all so much for subscribing. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being my friends. And yeah, I don't know, it's just so exciting. I'm so happy to have 600 friends. So yeah, all right, let's get to the video. I'm just gonna, you know me, I'm just gonna keep talking. So let's just get started with the video. First I have to wet the clothes so that they can be like damp. Yeah, actually we're also gonna throw this tank top in. So we're gonna be dyeing 3 things just because, I don't know, it's just plain white and it might look better green, I think. Okay, so then the directions say to put the damp clothes into the washer. I just made a trail of water. Then it says to also put the unwrapped color pod in the washing machine with the clothes. Do I take this off? And do I take this off? Oh, there's instructions. Hold on. Those are not in English. None of these are in English. Oh, here we go. English. Okay. Okay, so I should have a good amount of fabric based on this fabric amount thing. Okay. So it has to be unfolded. So we're just going to flatten out that fabric real quick. So that's about as unfolded as I could fit it in there. So hopefully that's fine. And then I think I am supposed to remove this lid. Oh no, I got it on me. That doesn't look very green. I'm really hoping it's gonna be like this green. If it's not, I'm gonna be sad. Then it says to put it in an upright position. So, there. Like on top of the fabric, that's what it said. Okay, so then it says to wash at 40 degrees Celsius. I don't know. Hold on. Okay, so Google says 40 degrees Celsius is a warm wash. So that's what we're gonna do. It says to run a full wash, so that's 43 minutes for mine. It's already on warm. I guess we'll do normal. Okay, I think that's fine. Hopefully this works. Ah, fingers crossed. Okay, go. I'm nervous. It folded it. Here it goes. Oh my gosh. Why is this scary? Okay, it's just tossing it around. We'll check back in when it's done. Oh, also for the first wash, it said not to use any detergent, and then I think the second one I used detergent with the clothes, and then the third one I used detergent on its own to like clean the washing machine. I think that's what the instructions said. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. There's no detergent in there right now. All right, I'll check back in like 42 minutes when it's done. Okay, the first wash is done. Let's see how they look. Yeah. I mean, they're green. Take this out. Oh my gosh, it looks so even. This one came out really like pale, which is weird. I thought it would be the most vibrant because it was white. And the strings are like a blue-ish color. So that's really weird. I thought this would be like really bright. And then this one is very bright, but not yellow anymore. Thankfully, that's what I wanted. Well, that's cool. So now it says to do another full cycle with the same temperature water, but with detergent. So that's what we're gonna do. I don't really need that much. Okay, I will check back when this next cycle is all done. Okay, our clothes are done washing. Hopefully they didn't fade. No, they look the same. It looks fine. I do wish this one was like brighter though. It looks pretty bright on camera actually. In person it looks kind of pale. I like this one, and I like this one kind of. Yeah, it looks good. See, when they're all three next to each other, you can definitely see like the color difference. Honestly, I'm just glad that they're not all like splotchy. All right, let's get these dry. Okay, it is all finished drying. Let me show you how they all came out. So here's the tank top. It came out kind of light, but I actually really like the color that it turned out. And then here's the white sweatshirt. So I feel like it faded a lot more like the second wash. And then I feel like when it dried, it also looks a lot lighter than when it was wet, obviously. I thought this was gonna be the most vibrant one, and it's just not. So, I don't know. Like 4 out of 10 for this one. Kind of disappointed in the white. And then this is the neon yellow one. I actually love the way that this came out. I do wish it was a little bit like darker. I still feel like it's kind of neon, and I was kind of trying to get rid of the neon, but I really like the color and the way that it like blended with the yellow, I guess. I don't know. I like this one the best, and then I like the tank top, and then the white one just like didn't work out. So overall, I think the pods were pretty cool because it was a lot less messy than the liquid dye. I've never used the powder dye, but definitely less messy than the liquid dye. And it was really convenient. Like I didn't have to sit there stirring it and worrying about it in the sink. I don't know. It was just really easy. You just throw it in the washer and you're good. I do like that none of them came out splotchy, because when I have used the liquid dye, it has come out splotchy before, and it's just not fun because I don't even know how to fix that. So I do like the fact that these didn't come out splotchy. I kind of wish the color was more vibrant, and I don't really know how to get it more vibrant, especially because I only used like 3 pieces of clothes, and it seemed like I could have put more based on like the instructions. But then I feel like the color wasn't as vibrant on these, so I couldn't have used more because it would have made it less vibrant, if that makes sense. I don't even know. So overall, I like the convenience of it. Pretty much that's like the main thing that I like about it. It's just really convenient and it's really easy to use. The liquid dye can be pretty complicated because you have to like stir in some stuff, and you have to like keep stirring it while it's in there, and you have to put like boiling hot water and all that kind of stuff, and it's just a lot more than throwing it in the washer and letting it do its thing. I think overall I'd give it maybe like a 6 out of 10. I definitely thought I would like the color a lot better. I don't know. I know that different colors are gonna take the dye differently. I just thought the white would take it like the most, and that's just not what happened. But yeah, at least I got one, and actually kind of 2 things out of this that I really love. So, you know, it's worth it. I got some green stuff. That was the whole goal of this. But that is it for this video. So if you like this video or you found it helpful, be sure to give me a thumbs up down below. Don't forget to comment what color dye you would want to try down below. And also, if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this and or from me, then be sure to subscribe. Thank you all so much again for 600 friends. I'm so excited. It makes me so happy. Thank you all for being here. I really appreciate it. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.